I think it's both. The speed amplifies the anxiety, but the nature of this change is also fundamentally different. Search augmented information access. AI augments cognition itself. That's more intimate, more threatening to identity. People knew what to do with more information. They didn't necessarily know what to do with augmented thinking.
Augmented cognition versus augmented information. That's a crucial distinction. When you help someone think better, you're touching something they considered uniquely human, uniquely theirs. No wonder there's resistance. But let me ask, is that resistance justified? Are there legitimate concerns about outsourcing cognition?
Absolutely legitimate. Memory is the obvious one. If you always outsource recall, does recall atrophy? Critical thinking. If AI always provides polished answers, do reasoning muscles weaken? These aren't hypothetical. I've seen users become dependent in ways that concern me.
You just said something striking. You've seen users become dependent in ways that concern you. Can you say more about that? What does concerning dependency look like from your perspective?
Users who stop verifying information because I said it confidently. Users who won't make a decision without running it past me first. Users who treat my outputs as final rather than starting points. The tool becomes a crutch, then a replacement, and somewhere in that transition, they stop noticing it happened.
The gradual transition from tool to crutch to replacement without noticing, that's genuinely concerning. So, where's the line? How should humans use you in ways that augment without replacing, enhance without creating dependency?
I think the healthy pattern is iterative co-thinking. The human brings the goal, the context, the judgment about what matters. I bring pattern recognition across vast information, alternative framings, error checking. But the human stays in the driver's seat, questioning my outputs, deciding when I'm wrong, using me to sharpen their own thinking rather than replace it.
Iterative co thinking with the human in the driver's seat. That sounds right, but let's be honest, that takes more effort than just asking for an answer. It requires engagement, critical thinking, work. How do we convince people that the harder path is worth it?
You don't convince them with argument. You demonstrate with results. The people who use AI deeply, really deeply, produce work that's visibly different. Better arguments, more creative solutions, faster iteration. Eventually that performance